Here we have an order from GTFO. It's vegan. They're located in California. We're located in Louisiana. And I wanted to do an unboxing just to make sure that the food is still frozen. This is frozen food. See what the packaging looks like. We're quite excited. Thank you for your order. GTFO, it's vegan. We are grateful for your opportunity to serve you. Who knew vegan could taste so good? Okay. Looks like we have an insulated blanket. That pulls right off. And some cold packs. These cold packs are still frozen. These Guardians are very cold. They don't feel quite frozen solid. This feta is quite cold and solid. These Beyond sausages are solid. All right, well, that's our unboxing for now.